Kung hanap mo ay komportable, totoong elegante, ngunit affordable na matutuluyan ito sa Legazpi. Lalo at sunod-sunod ang mga festival, mga ganap at gala ay may recommended kaming hotel na mala 5-star ang rating dahil sa pagiging top-notch quality at pagiging moderno sa bawat kwarto. Bukod kasi sa matatanaw mo ang bulkang mayon ay napakarami ka pang kwartong pagpipilian na paniguradong magugustuhan mo. Welcome to Hotel Lucca. Dahil nga sunod-sunod ang mga festival sa buong Albay, ay naghanap na ang aming team na matutuluyan dito sa Legazpi. Dito nga kami nagawi sa Jasmine Street, Legazpi City. Muli tayong sasamahan ng ating ka-travel buddy na si Rain upang isa-isahin ang bawat room na ini-offer ng Hotel Lucca.
Hi guys, this is Rain, your travel vlogger, at nandito nga tayo sa Hotel Lucca para i-vlog and mag-tour sa kanilang mga rooms na talaga namang sosyal at napakaganda. And hindi ko na nga papahabayan ang aking intro dahil excited na rin talaga ako i-vlog ang kanilang hotel. Kaya tara na! First floor pa lang guys, right where I'm standing, this is actually their dining area. Where every 6 a.m. meron silang buffet na kung saan pwedeng mag-enjoy ang ating mga guests. Hi guys, so nandito nga tayo sa second floor ng Hotel Lucca, and as you can see yung mga rooms dito, pintuan pa lang ay naka-digitalize na, which is pwede mo siyang ma-access through key or key card. Gagamitin natin ito para buksan siya. And lapit ka, halika. Ayan. So, para mabuksan yung lights natin dito, gagamitin natin yung key card. So, I assume that this is very important and comes on booking your rooms here. And here in this room, deluxe room, which is containing 2 bedrooms, good for 2 people, and hindi lang basta-basta rito. As you can see here in front of me again, we actually have a flat screen TV na kung saan hindi ka talaga mauumay and very entertaining. In this section, kung mapapansin niyo, ang daming ganap, ang daming nakalagay. I would actually like to show you pa yung mga nandito. First of all, we have our cup and a set of coffee and sugar in case na gusto niyo magtimpla. And behind it ay meron tayong bottle dito na pwedeng lagyan ng tubig. Beside that, we have our menu. And all you have to do is just choose the food that you like and they will actually provide you a room with a room service. What's a room kung walang amenities? We actually have their shower cap, vanity kit containing face pad, nail file, and cotton buds, shaving kit to our men, and coat. And below this counter ay meron tayong cabinet kung saan naglalaman na mini fridge. Wow. So if meron kayong pagkain na gusto nyong i-stock properly, and beside this counter ay ang kanilang tall cabinet. Kung saan sa taas ay pwede nyo malagyan ng damit, and sa baba naman pwede nyo malagyan ng hangered clothes. Going down ay meron silang vault if you actually have some stuff na nagre-require ng extra protection. As you notice, yung cabinets nila, counters, ay very nice wood finish, kumbaga. I must say na yung room nila, pagpasok pala, it actually gives a very nice scent na talaga first impression of in a comfortable room, which is I truly adore sa mga hotel. And dito naman sa aking right side, this is actually their bathroom. And to their bathroom, the design, mapapansin mo din talaga, first impression pa lang, napaka-modernized na. This is all gray bathroom. And we also have our amenities here. Conditioner. Ayan. This is their conditioner, shampoo, and also their body wash. Kaya kung if ever man naiwan mo yung personal amenities mo, ay hindi mo na kailangan ng problema dahil meron sila dito at kompleto pa. And here in their bathroom, they actually have 2 showers dito. Ito naman, as you can see, these 2 showers are different. This one is yung fixed talaga at your top. At kung gusto mo naman mag-shower na nagagalaw talaga mismo yung shower, ay meron din tayong pangalawang shower. And also, makukompleto ba ang shower kung walang heat? Of course, meron dito sa Hotel Lucca. Have a proper standee for our towels and also clothes. We actually have, and of course, the toilet with toilet paper. And this is also you can see, Overall, the bathroom is finished in a very, very modernized. We have another cabinet set here, and they're empty. And on the table, we have telephone. And as you can see guys, yung bed, my God, nakita nyo naman, pag upo ko pa lang, talagang mag-bounce. Very comfortable and marerelax ka. Right now guys, nandito na tayo sa kanilang pangalawang room here in second floor. And this is what they call premium room. And hindi na tayo magsasayang ng oras, papasukin na natin siya. Aside that this is called premium room, this is considered also a family room. Dahil aside sa dalawa ang pwedeng mag-occupy nito originally, kung may mga extra kayong kasama, up to 3, ay pwede dito mag-request ng additional bed. So, lahat naman ay makakahiga while they're staying in this huge room. So, this area seems like a study area. If ever someone wants to work, they can actually do it here. And also, let's not forget yung kanilang flat screen TV for the source of entertainment. And below here are the extra cabinets, remotes, aircon controller, and also their telephone for service requests on their front desk. And again, their design sa kanilang room, they're consistent, modernized, and minimalist. And also, sticking to their colored palette room, mas malaki siya compared sa ating deluxe. So, in this premier room, ay meron tayong same setup like the deluxe with the same things going on sa section na to, which is a cabinet that contains mini fridge na pwedeng lagyan ng pagkain nyo. At the same time, ay cool din. And beside it is also the cabinet na pwedeng malagyan ng maraming damit. But only kung i-hanger nyo since wala siyang shelf na pwedeng patungan. Only at the top and the hanging section right here. And below is ang kanilang vault or safe. Of course, hindi natin bubuksan.
Tulad nga sa deluxe room ay kompleto rin ang premier room ng mga bathroom amenities. Malinis, mabango, talagang ganda ng banyo kahit ilan pang nights.
And if it's quiet at night, ganda ng banyo kahit ilang pang nights. I love you, Hotel Lucca.
While walking, we randomly pass sa kanilang fire extinguisher and fire hose in case na may emergency. But right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang standard and let's go! At first glimpse ay talagang mapapansin mo na yung difference niya from the previous two room na ating pinasok, which is the deluxe room and the premium room. And dito naman, medyo nagbago yung theme ng ating room. Mostly white and gray ang color palette dito, unlike from the previous two rooms na may presence ng brown shade. But at the same time, it is very minimalist. Modern but minimalist. And dito naman, instead of those fancy cabinets, extra cabinets, so medyo nabawasan. We have smaller table dito. But at the same time, yung mga stuff na meron doon, like the cup, coffee, bottle for water, glasses, and others, ay nandito. Similar siya sa ating deluxe room, which is a blinder. And dito naman, this is also good for 2 peeps. Take note, we have 2 beds right here. And somewhat a cute lamp. Instead of a actual lampshade, ay meron tayong wall lamp na naka-attach na. And this naman, in this area, instead of an actual cabinet, ay meron lang tayo ditong open cabinet. But at the same time, pwedeng malagyan ng maraming damit pa rin. Same amenities, room amenities like tissues, shaving kit, shower cap, etc. We also have the vault, hindi mawawala yung vault, and our room slippers. Meron tayo niyan for extra comfort. Right here is, beside the bed, is actually the bathroom itself. At sa bathroom na to guys, compared sa dalawa, again, mas maliit din siya. This is actually social, but budget-friendly, where you can actually stay in. And dito naman, instead of glass divider, we just actually have a plastic curtain, a divider between the shower and toilet. And dito ay meron lang tayong isang shower, which is this one. Unlike from a previous two na meron tayong dalawang shower. But don't you worry, dahil hindi naman nawala dito yung pang-control nyo sa temperature ng tubig. I've noticed na kada floor na pinupunta namin, they actually have an art piece sa mga wall na ma-appreciate mo rin. Dito po ba siya? And as we reach yung third floor, ay meron tayong ditong another different kind of room, which is their family room. Tara, pasukin na natin siya. Again, ang kanilang mga rooms, whether their family room, deluxe room, standard room, or premium room, they can be accessible through key or key card. And right here, ganito yung size ng ating family room. Except that iba yung pagkakaset-up niya. Unlike that from the other rooms na ating pinasok. Like this one. This is their cabinet. As you can see, mas malaki siya. 2 panel doors. Contains room slippers, their vault, hanging section where you can hang your clothes. And dito naman, may mga designated cabinets din talaga na malalagyan mo ng damit. In this room, nakalabas ang ating mini fridge. But we have our flat screen TV. Ayan. Very nice for movie binging. And we have numbers of cabinets dito. Right here, we have a study table. Dito nakalagay yung mga stuff na nakita natin from the previous room. Like the cups, bottles, tissue container, extra small cabinet, and the menu. Dito naman, this is where their bathroom place. Their bathroom setup dito ay similar sa deluxe room where we have a much bigger mirror and also sink with cabinet underneath. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas malaki yung lalagyan ng ating bathroom amenity. Here, we have 2 showers. One is fixed and one's handheld. Again, this is what I actually love sa kanilang bathroom, where lahat ng rooms nila ay hindi nawawalan ng temperature controller, where you can actually enjoy. And since this room is actually big enough na madagdagan ng additional, they were actually informed itong room na to ay pwede kayong mag-request dito ng 2 additional beds kung may extra kayong kasama. And while we're heading sa kanilang roof deck, we would like to flex kanilang hotel function. Good for events, seminars, and whatever event pala na yun. And aside sa mga malls na nakikita dito sa kanilang pinaka-top floor, may area din dito which is the spot I'm standing is makikita rin yung mayon. But unfortunately, dahil sa cloudy weather, ay hindi nagpapakita today si mayon. But from afar, right there, ay makikita dito yung highlands and yung mountain view sa area na to.
Kaya naman, para malaman kung totoo nga ba talaga ang balita na masarap magstay sa Hotel Lucca, ay nagpasama na ako sa aking ka-travel buddy, Sarge, upang puntahan ang nagte-trending na hotel na ito.
Para sa ating ilaw, syempre, yung card pa din. Diba? Napaka-social but very affordable. So mga ka-travelers, we have 2 beds in here na sobrang lambot ng kama. Siyempre, yung setup nila dito, pang malakasan talaga, we have the lampshade. May TV tayong malaki. Siyempre, yung salamin, di yan mawawala. Yung drawers. At dito ako mas interesado. Yung kanilang CR, mga ka-travelers, na merong glass door kapag ikaw ay maliligo. Tara, ligo tayo. Magagawin kayo dito sa Legazpi City, you must visit this hotel.
At habang sinosolo ko nga ang napakalaking kwarto, ay nakipagkwentuhan na nga ang ating ka-travel buddy sa isa sa mga staff ng Hotel Lucca.
So ayun nga mga ka-travelers, ngayong umaga ay kasama natin si Sir
Paul Dennis Mirafor.
Sir Paul, pwede po ba sir malaman yung inyong rates?
Bali yung rates natin, standard room is 2,200, good for 2. Deluxe room naman po is 3,125, good for 2. At premium room naman po is 3,750, good for 2. And then family room is 3,900, good for 3 packs naman po. All rooms naman po natin is included naman po yung complimentary breakfast. Napakalapit lang po natin sa mga malls, nearby malls, churches. And then ang rooms naman natin is very comfortable yung mga beds, napakalamig ng mga air conditions, and then napakasarap ng mga foods natin dito sa hotel.
Yung buffet nyo po sir, kailan po siya, sir, anong oras po siya nangyayari?
Bali yung buffet natin starts at 6 a.m. po until 10 a.m. naman po for the breakfast po.
So yun, sir, invite po natin yung ating mga viewers out there to come and visit your hotel.
I would like to invite everyone to come and visit us and stay here at Hotel Lucca, located at Jasmine Street, Imperial Court Subdivision, Legazpi City po.
And dito na nga guys, magtatapos ang ating vlog sa Hotel Lucca. And I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating hotel tour. And if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Kaya naman mga ka-travelers, kung hanap mo ay 3-star hotel na moderno at tunay na may luxurious stay kasama ang masarap na buffet at affordable rates, lalo na ngayong paparating ang mga festival dito sa Legazpi, ay mag-book na o magpa-reserve dito sa Hotel Lucca. Huwag kalimutang i-like, follow for more hotel reviews. See you in the next adventure.
Hey business owners, are you ready to showcase your unique destination? Do you own a resort, restaurant, or attraction that deserves the spotlight? Now's your chance to showcase what makes your place truly unforgettable. Travel to Bicol is on the lookout for the most breathtaking destinations and one-of-a-kind experiences. Let's put your business on the map and inspire travelers to visit. Partner with us and let the world discover your story. Together, we'll create stunning content that captures the heart of your destination and leaves a lasting impression on visitors. Let's make it happen. Message us on Facebook or give us a call today. Be seen, be remembered. Let's collaborate.